There is now a visual focus on the active component in the model tree, aligning with the active component in the graphics area. The non-active component or feature area of the model tree is dimmed. Also, the insert mode indication has been improved, showing a green line for part or top level insert mode and a blue line with dot for the components. Note that the insert mode indication for the active component can now also be dragged. Items that are affected by the insert mode inside a subcomponent are also dimmed. During insert mode, the footer will not be dimmed according to the regeneration rules, as it is not affected by insert mode.